Using Gmail, I want this contact form to send an email after it's been submitted. Go to the Django docs topic/email and look at this quick example. The quick example shows the email's format. There's a subject, a message, who the email is from, and the recipients. Fail silently means that the user will not see any errors if the email is not sent. Underneath the quick example here, you could see some of the email settings that I'm going to need to put into my settings.py file. So I'm going to need email host, email port, email host user, and email host password. So open your project. And open settings.py. I'll just close those files. Settings.py. In settings.py, I'll put these email variables. So email underscore host equals, and I'm using Gmail, so it'll equal smtp.gmail.com. And then have email underscore host underscore user. Oops, I'm missing the underscore. And email host user will equal, put in your Gmail username. For the email underscore host underscore password, that would be your password. And then we need the email port. Port 587 is the port for Gmail. And lastly, email underscore use underscore TLS. I'll have that equal true. Okay, save settings.py. Go back to the Django documentation. And I'm going to copy this quick example code. Go into Sublime Text and under Contact, open views.py. And I'll just paste the code in. I'll be here on line 3. And then I'll cut lines 5 and 6. And I'll put send email down where I'll send the email if the form is valid. The view needs access to the email settings that I just put here. So to import these email settings, type up here from django.conf import settings. So I'll define some email variables. So the subject, these variables need to be above sent email. So I'll put the subject as lowercase s. I'll put the subject as, well, for now I'll just put in a blank pair of quotes. I'll just set up the variables I need. Message, another single quote pair, email from, and lastly, email to. And I want the email to send to me, so I'll put it as settings.email underscore host underscore user. So it will send to whatever address you put in here, your email address, that should be. So now open forms.py. The form field has fields for name, comment, and email. So cut in views.py. I'm going to cut this email out. and then that's going to become email from. So delete these, and there we go. So whatever email the user puts in here, that will show up as who the email is from. I want the email's message to be set to the comment and the name that the user puts into the comment form. So the name and the comment should be set as the message. First, I'll clean the comment and name data. Then, using string substitution, I'll set message to the form's comment and name. So to do this, after the form is valid, have comment equal form.cleaned_data, and I'm going to clean the comment from the form, and then I'm going to clean the name from the form, so it will be form.cleaned_data, and then the name. So I'm going to use string substitution to set the message with the comment and name. So to do this, type %s, and then I'll substitute in, that should be %, the comment, and the name. So now the cleaned comment and name will be set as the email's message. For the email subject, I'll put message from whatever your site is. So just the generic mysite.com. Put all the email variables into send email. So inside send email, I'm just going to, instead of subject here, it should just be subject. Delete message here, and it'll just be message. And then it will be email from. And then need that comma. Let me put this up here. Email to. And I'll keep fail silently. Well, for now, since we're testing, I'll put it to true. So save views.py. Go back into Chrome. Refresh the page. And fill out the contact form. Submit the contact form. And you should have an email with the information from the contact form. You could get an error saying SMTP authentication error. If you get SMTP authentication error, go to this URL, accounts.google.com/display unlock captcha, press continue, and try submitting the contact form again. The email should send. So in this video, I showed you how to use your view to send an email. See you in the next one.